මොකක්ද ඊෂේ කැමගෙනව
මන් දන්නේ මං කාලා නෑ.
දේවල්ලන්නේ බයින්ට.
අනේ
Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog. So yeah, I finally decided to pick up the camera and actually vlog my day. I'm currently doing my psychology degree at SLIIT Malabe, and today I'm taking you guys through a full day of lectures with me. On this channel, I'll be sharing a mix of art, psychology, university life, and some fun vlogs like this one. So if that sounds like your thing, hit that subscribe button and stick around. Alright, let's get into the day. So first thing in the morning, I had cognitive and biological psychology. Our lecturer is Miss Mihishani, and she's honestly really chill and friendly with us. So the lectures are always pretty easy. And today we actually did something pretty unexpected, a little drama about cognitive distortions. I'm not gonna lie, it was actually really fun. I have put some clips from it here so you guys can see what went down. Action है कोटिगिरी hello Janu.
So this fire flames cases were more than the tuberculosis cases, right? So they
රහයිති නේද? ඒ කාර්යය ඒගොල්ලෝ curry එකක් දාලා sweet, spicy අර ඒ වගේ mix.
මොකක්ද ඊෂේ කැමගෙනව
මන් දන්නේ මං කාලා නෑ.
මොකක්ද ජනුපේ ගෙනව
छोले भटूरे right
චෝලේ බටෝ දැන් අයිෂා අර රියැක්ෂන් එක දාලා බලන්න මේ සෑඩ් එක දාන්න සෑඩ් එක දාපුවම කොහමද අයිෂා
that's cute.
Do this. Okay.
Oh my god. Nice. So great. What?
You guys said literally 5 minutes before, like you should get into the disease, you should
use a point from jumping into conclusions since I guess we all tend to do that all the time. That's crazy. Let's go.
idea, she took it personal. So even though when it comes to incidents like that incident, so taking things personally can affect your judgment and end up being your frustration and depressed.
As you said, Nilusha, now we're going for our second concept, which is mental filters. As you can see, when we got our marks and like walked our way back, everyone was focusing on the one mark we deducted.
අනේ මේ මවුල කරන්න එපා. වරුනේ
බොරුනේ මේ අතර කියන්නේ පොඩ හයි කියන්නේ
අනේ මේ හායි
කවන්න දානවා
එපා
හයි කියපු කියලා දාන්න එපාද
එපා එපා උඩ ලස්සට ඉන්න පොඩ්ඩයි
එහෙනම් ලස්සනට
හරි දැන් මොකද මම කරන්නේ
කැමතිද කරන්න ඔයා කියන කියලා දානවා
දැන් YouTube එක දාන්නේ ඔක
ඔව් හයි කිය
හායි කිය හායි යෝගයා කරන
බොරු නෙමෙයි කො හයි කියන්නේ හයි
මොනවද කියන්නේ
බොරු නෙමෙයි අතර කියන්නේ
channel එකක් තියෙද?
හා
YouTube channel එකක් තියෙද?
පටන් ගන්නවද
channel එකක් තියෙද? හදලා තියෙන්නේ.
range is something like this, right? So
Thanks. Nah, domino in there. Ah, nice, nice. Go, eh. Atta to guna. Go, thumbs up pack kar lo. Okay, lo. Go, eh.
even he's
Thumbs up. And now, after a full day of lectures, I am finally heading home on the shuttle. And the best part of getting home, yeah, this guy is always ridiculously happy to see me.
Hello, hiking, hi, 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 hi. Go, come. Oh.
Right. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Tum, tum.